How to turn off drop-down control when locked on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. As you get there, scroll through the menu to select Face ID and passcode. For security reasons, you'll be asked to enter your passcode you use to unlock your phone. After you enter your passcode, your screen will be navigated to where you can manage apps using Face ID. Now, scroll down through the menu to find Control Center. Tap on it to turn it off. Control Center is a security feature that prevents others from accessing control when your phone is locked. So, by turning off the Control Center, you prevent unauthorized access and also reduce risk if your device is lost or stolen. By following these steps, you can easily turn off drop-down control when locked on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.